Hello students, welcome to our e-learning classes. I hope you all are watching the videos till the end. Let's start today class 2. In your Math Magic book chapter number 1. This chapter is related to the chapter number 15 in Math Composite book. Both the chapter is completed. Right? Today we will do the Math Composite book. Please all of you open your Math Composite book. The first chapter in Composite book. This is the revision. This chapter is revision. Numbers 1 to 100. Numbers 1 to 100. Please all of you open your Math Composite book. Follow me. And write down also. First is fill in the missing number. Here is 1 to 100 you have to write. In the first question you have to write 1 to 100. I hope you all know and you all can do yourself. So I will not do on board. Please you will complete this one. Do the next one. Please fill in the missing numbers by counting forward or backward. Fill in the missing numbers. Fifty-one, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. It is already given in your book. Write down 58, 59, 60 and 61. Okay, it is till 60, not 61. Now the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 gaps you have. This is the forward counting. It is called forward counting. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Then 60. It is called forward counting. Now 24, 25, 26. Then you have gap. 24, 25, 26. Then after 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, then 33. Next is 19, then 18, 19. Then after it's given 18. It is forward counting or back counting? It is back counting. You have to count backwards. 19, 18, 18 before 17, 17 before 16, 16 before 15, 15 before 14, 14 before 13, 13 before 12, 12 before 11, 11 before 10. 10 is given. Now is the next 70, 71, 72, then 73, then 74, 75 is given, 76, 77, 78, 79. Now the next 35, then 36. It is also forward counting. 35, 36, then 37, then 38, then 39, then 40, then 41, then 42, 43 it is given, and then 44. Okay, this is also forward counting. Now the next 96, then 95. It is 96 and then after 95 is given. Which one is following over here? Here it is following the back counting. 96, then 95. Then before 95 before 94. 94 before 93. 92. 92 before 91. 91 before 90. 90 before 89. 89 before 88. Then last one is given in your book 87. Okay children, this is forward counting, this is also forward counting, this is back counting, this is also forward counting, and this is back counting. Turn over the page. Turn over the page. Numbers and numbers name. This all we have learned in class 1. We all learned this one in class 1. So this is the revision chapter. So this chapter name is revision. Whatever we have learned in class 1, this is we are revising this chapter. Now is numbers and number names. Write the numbers for given number name. First one is given 16. Write down over here 1 6 16. Then 63. 63. Then is 41. 41. Then 70. 79. 79. Then 54. 54. Then is 30. 30. This side also the same. 19. 19. 37. 37. 28. TWENTY. 28. 28. 44. 44. Then is 95. 95. 82. EIGHTY. 82. Then 100. ONE 1HUNDRED. 100. Done everybody? Now the next, write the number names for the given numbers. This is number name is given. You are written over here the number, and now the next one is you have to write down the number names. Number is given, you have to write over here number. I hope you all know. Still I am doing, please do it quickly. 11. ELEVEN. Then is 35. THIRTY. 35. Next is 56. FIFTY SIX. 56. 72. SEVENTY. 72. Next is 49. F-O-R-T-Y. 49. N-I-N-E. Next is 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. And 96. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 96. S-I-X. Now the right side is given 98, 44, 63, 27, 31, 59 and 86. This is your homework. You all will do it in your home. This is homework. You all will complete right side. This is Ramban name in own. I hope you can. Today this much. See you next class. Thank you.